Hello again, LEGO fans. It's me, the Mighty Stacker, and today I'm going to review the fourth and final addition to my LEGO vehicle set collection. This is the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 race car, as seen in NASCAR. It's pretty cool. You can see it's an official Chevrolet vehicle. There, that's pretty cool. This is the front of the box. Oh, hang on. It's set number 75891. It has 198 pieces. Wow, that's a lot. And one minifigure, ages 7+. This is the front of the box. This is the back. It's pretty cool looking. Looks like you get the nice details of the set, including the safety cage there for the driver. And right there on the box, the real car it's based on. That's pretty cool. So let's get to building it. Now that was a very long and very challenging build, but I enjoyed it. So let's get to the set itself, starting with, as always, the minifigure. The driver, also a mechanic with the wrench there. Nice clear visor on his helmet. Some nice front printing with the Chevrolet logo on it. And of course the Chevrolet Racing logo on the back of his jacket. That's pretty cool looking. I'll do this one next, the fuel can, because it's a small part of the set. There we go. Adjust the sticker there. There we go. Nice and straight. You take the fuel canister and you put it into the gas cap there to refuel the car, and it's ready to race. This one had decals that I had to put on myself. A lot of decals. It's a pretty cool looking race car. It's got number 5 on it. Don't know who drives car number 5. We'll have to look that up. Pretty cool looking. On the inside here, you get the interior that can fully open with the roll cage for safety. So let's take Mr. Driver here and put him in the car, and he's ready to go. Ready to race. And you put down the roll cage, put this part down, and that. A lot of safety goes on in these NASCAR race cars. Pretty cool looking. I like it. There we go. And the rating of the set, I'm going to say, let's say 10 out of 10, because it's a very challenging set to build. Very well detailed. I really like it a lot. You can see the Chevrolet Camaro on the new hubcaps. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to say 10 out of 10. Go out and get it. And that's the review. See you next time for the LEGO Advent Calendar reveal. Bye.